Hello everybody, my name is Keenan and today I will demonstrate my master cooking skills. Today I will make some Chinese macaroni.
Hi, my name is Master Jason and today I will be doing oatmeal cookies.
Hi, today I'm going to present you a summer recipe. Let's get started. I will make a mango sorbet.
Hello everybody, today I'm doing an apple omelet.
Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Chef Marie and today I will show you how to make these delicious matcha powder cookies.
Hi class, today I'm gonna be presenting you how to do tabbouleh. Tabbouleh is a very popular meal in Lebanon.
Hello everyone, my name is Alexander and today I'm going to prepare a Greek salad.
Hey everyone, today I'm going to cook my favorite cake. Of course, I'm not allergic to it. Let's cook!
Hello, my name is Josie. I'll be showing you guys how to make a famous Middle Eastern salad, tabbouleh.
Hello everyone, today I will be showing you how to cook some chocolate chip cookies.
Hello and good evening everyone. For the today's show, I will show you how to cook a apple crumble.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Junior Cooking Show. I'm your chef Elodie. Today we will make a glass of milk with chocolate chip cookies.
Hi, today I'll be showing you how to make red velvet cupcakes.
Hello, and today I'm feeling kind of hungry. So let's make some Greek food called pasticcio.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to present to you one of my favorite recipes, peanut butter cupcake.
Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a delicious chocolate cake in a cup.
Hi, I'm Chief Adesab and today I'm going to show you how to make a healthy recipe. You'll love it, I'm sure.
Guys, today my name is Ivan. Welcome to my kitchen.
Let's begin.
We are the judges. My sister Sarah and my father Joe.
5 minutes later.
Now let's start the recipe.
We got some grated cheese, some potatoes, some eggs, some parsley, some salt, and some black pepper.
So today the ingredients are blackberries, frozen blueberries, a banana, a plain Greek yogurt, maple syrup, and homemade granola quinoa.
We got 1 onion with salt and pepper on it. We got 2 medium tomatoes. We got 3 spoons of lemon juice. And we got 4 spoons of olive oil. And we got the parsley.
Now that you've scooped the mixture of ingredients inside each cup hole, you're gonna put it in the oven that you preheated at the beginning to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes.
You will take your 2 slices of bread.
Now I decorate with grated cheese and parsley.
First, you wanna preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit.
Then put the cork that you rolled in aluminum paper before in the cookie.
Let them cool in the pan for 2 hours.
Yeah guys, after an hour you will have to take it out of the refrigerator. You're gonna toss it just a little bit just so that the flavor goes around. This is what it looks like after.
So I just took out the cake out of the oven. I'm just gonna wait it to be a little bit cold, and after I'm gonna unmold it.
And I know I worked really hard, so I have some flour on my face. It's beautiful.
Masher. Then add some salt to make all the juice come out, and so it will be more tasty. Then you just smash it.
Make sure that you cut the parsley very well and wash it very well because there's a little bit of sand and dirty stuff in it.
Thank you very much for watching my show, and if you liked it, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Here's the final result. Thank you for listening. It was a pleasure for me, and I hope it was a pleasure for you.
You can now enjoy with a wonderful vanilla ice cream.
Haha! So we have it right here, everybody. Our oatmeal cookies. So these oatmeal cookies are a very good snack to share with your friends. They are easy to make and they are delicious.
If you follow this recipe properly, it will be delicious. So I hope you like my video and will try this at home. Bye!
Very good.
Thanks for.
And now I'm going to taste my own recipe. And how can I eat without a spoon? Oh, it looks good. And voila!
They will choose which one is the best one. One, it's mine that I made, and the other one, it's store-bought.
Okay. This one is from the store.
I don't know. This one's bland. You don't taste the peanut butter.
This is how we mix it. It should look about like this. When you eat pinwheel cookie, you're gonna think about me. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Finish!
Around me are familiar faces.
Cup and a quarter of flour.
No spots yourself. Let's go, Carlo.
Okay, what?
Man up.
2 spoons of two spoons of
Burger.
Yes. Burger. I can't say it.